In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a YouTube description. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use an AI assistant to quickly create a clear, engaging description for any video, and then add it to your upload in YouTube Studio. First, head over to your YouTube Studio and open the video upload screen. You can do this when you're uploading a brand new video, or by editing a video that's already in your channel. On this upload page, you'll see a field labeled Description. This is where your final text will go. But for now, just click into that description box so you know exactly where it is and what it looks like. We'll come back to it in a moment. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to ChatGPT. Start a brand new chat so you're working from a clean slate. This will help keep the conversation focused on the video you're working on right now. Click into the prompt field at the bottom and ask for a YouTube description. Be as detailed as you can in this message. Include the video title, what the video is about, the tone you want, and roughly how long you want the description to be. For example, you might say that you want something friendly and informative, with keywords that match your topic, and maybe a short call to action like asking viewers to subscribe. The clearer you are here, the better the description you'll get back. Once you've written your prompt, either click on the send arrow or simply press enter on your keyboard to submit it. ChatGPT will generate a description for you based on the information you provided. When the response appears, look for the copy icon in the top right corner of the answer. Click that icon to copy the entire description to your clipboard. You can quickly skim the text before copying to make sure it matches your style and doesn't include anything you don't want. Now, switch back to your YouTube Upload tab. Click into the description field again and paste the text you just copied. You can make any final tweaks directly in YouTube Studio, like adding links, timestamps, or hashtags. Once you're happy with it, continue through your usual upload settings. Add your thumbnail, choose your audience settings, visibility, and anything else you normally adjust. Then you're ready to save or publish your video with a strong AI-assisted description in place.